Hello, I'm Paul Hans, and I'd like to teach you everything I know about photography. Maybe you want to learn how to do some nighttime landscapes. Or a little bit of street photography. I've got just the thing for you. How about some beautiful sunset landscape photography? Either way, I run several themed group photography workshops and also personalised tuition with one-to-one photography workshops. If you're interested, come over to my website www.paulhans.co.uk.
For me, I want to get back into photography.
Whereas I'd never done it before.
Yeah.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging.
So we wanted a course that did sort of both. Yeah.
Yeah, and just kind of give us that first step as well.
It's worth it.
For me, getting back into it, remember what I'm doing.
I've never done it before, I need to learn from scratch.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this course did both, I think.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So it was easy to get here. And it was a very professional website as well, which is very good. So that sort of gave us confidence that it was like, okay, yeah, it's going to be a good course.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
It's probably location. The fact that we live close to it, so driving past, we could see the location.
Yeah, so we like checked out where you were before.
A lot of people that come on my workshops are real beginners and they don't really know a lot about photography at all. So this is why I give them a technical hour at the start of all of my workshops, or I run a beginner's workshop where we literally go through the technical details of how to use your camera in manual mode and how to take complete creative control over the images. You can learn photography with me through booking onto a one-to-one workshop where you get personalised tuition which targets the areas that you actually need or perhaps areas that I've identified. But what happens is with the one-to-ones is you get a whole day or half a day with me working entirely on your style of photography. The group workshops are really good too, especially for those that want to learn photography at the fraction of cost but with more of a prescribed method of teaching, so everybody gets taught the same thing, and they're in groups of up to 4 people who are all like-minded photographers.